In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your document in Microsoft Word for booklet printing. Whether you're crafting a small manual, a family photo album, or a mini workbook, booklet printing is a wonderful way to make your document look polished and professional. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure an easy and successful outcome. First things first, open up Microsoft Word and load your document. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new document. Now, with your document open, navigate to the top of your workspace and locate the Layout tab. Depending on the version of Word you are using, you might see Page Layout instead. Both options are what you're looking for, so go ahead and click on that tab. Once there, direct your attention to the Page Setup group of tools. You'll notice a small dialog launcher icon in the bottom right corner. It's easy to overlook since it's so subtle, but it's crucial for accessing the settings we need. Click on that tiny icon, and it will open up the Page Setup dialog. Now that you're in the Page Setup dialog, you're in a new world of customization options. Initially, you'll land on the Margins tab. This is where we can start configuring our booklet format. For the multiple pages setting, select Bookfold. This choice is essential because it will automatically configure your document to the correct orientation that booklet printing requires, which is landscape. This is going to lay your pages out side by side, just like how they would appear in a physical booklet after being folded. While still on the Margins tab, it's time to think about the binding. Set a gutter margin. You might want to consider using a measurement of about 0.5 inches or more. This margin grants a little breathing space next to the fold or binding of your booklet, ensuring that your content doesn't get lost within the crease. Once you've got those settings squared away, move over to the Paper tab. Here, you'll set the proper paper size for your project. Remember, the finished booklet page size will actually be half the width of the paper size you select here, so choose accordingly to your needs and visual preferences. Lastly, to bring it all together, click OK to apply your carefully chosen settings. You should see your document layout transform, with pages appearing side by side, mirroring the way they will look in your final folded booklet. By following these steps, you're well on your way to producing a beautifully laid out booklet. With practice, this setup process will become second nature. Try experimenting with different margins and paper sizes to find what works best for your particular project. Happy booklet making! Booklet.